Springlax that Springtrap suit, or else they'll come loose. So now, yeah, so the Springlax are like screws. I don't know where he is now. No! Oh, what the? Oh, what the? Oh! What the heck? Hey guys, I'm Jason Samuel and welcome back to Five Nights at Freddy's 3. I was doing an awesome job for doing, oh my god, audio. Oh my god, audio, what the heck are you doing now? After mastering night 2. No, better not be at anywhere. Oh, so I can't breathe on the Springlax in the Springtrap suit. Oh, now I get it. Since he's in that suit. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh my god, where'd he go? Oh! Where the heck did he go? Oh! Oh my god, I don't even know where the heck did he go! Oh, there you are. Oh my god, audio, you stupid. After mastering, so now I know what Fungi's saying. So I can't breathe in that Springlax that Springtrap suit, or else they'll come loose. So now I know how. Yeah, I'm gonna do the exactly strategy. Then what's that? Go, 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 go. No, Luke stays there. She's close to that. Haha, so I'm gonna keep you to weigh in. So now I know what Fungi's saying. So if I breathe on that Springlax when I get in that suit, then they'll become loose. So now I know what that really means. So the Springlax are like screws to the bottom of the costume or something? What the heck is it now? I don't know where he is now. No! Oh, what the? Oh! Ah! No! Oh, what the? Oh! What the heck? I do not know he was there. What the? Oh. So if he's close to that vent, then I don't want him. Wait. Now, if he stays there, not that one. No. I told you, stop going in camera 9. 4 a.m. I don't wanna die. I knew it! Trying to go in that vent, huh? Trying to go in that vent. Think you can stop me? You're such an ugly gosh, trying to go on me. You'll never get me, and as long as it's 5 a.m., you're not gonna get me if I let you out of my sight. You better not move. Get off of my place. Oh, audio, I hate you. Yes! Oh! 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 God! Oh my God! What the heck? Oh, I'm Fredbear. Hi, friend. Huh? Yeah, sure.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.